Well, we did get a piece of chuck, right? Welcome in, welcome back. All right, somehow I lost some footage here. But guys, today we're making beef chili, right? With chunks of chuck in it. Guys, I'm gonna chop everything up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got everything all chopped up. We got our meat chopped up into little cubes, right? Bite-sized pieces, right? You can also buy the beef stew already chopped up. I just got 2 pieces from Sam's Club. So we got our onion chopped up. We got our garlic, right? And we got all our spices. Guys, everything will be down below, right? And we got our ground beef. So we're going to get started to brown this up. Let me take you guys over to the pot. All right, guys, our pan is nice and smoking, so let's go down. We got some avocado oil down there. Let's go in with our beef chuck. All right, guys, let's take a quick look at this one. All right, guys, we're all browned up, right? So I'm gonna put these on the side over here. All right, then I'm gonna go in with our ground beef. We got some tomato paste. 1, 2. I'm going to go in with just a little bit of avocado oil and then our garlic. Alright, guys, and now we're going to put in our beef back in. And then we're going in with all our seasonings. And then, guys, our fire roasted tomatoes. That's 2 cans. 1 more can. That's 3 cans. Guys, 1 can of green chilies. Then we got some beef stock, right? Just wanted to cover, right? I guess 1 whole box. Alright, so we're going to let this come to a boil. Then we're going to put it in the oven. Alright, guys, we're starting to boil here on the sides. I think that's good enough. It's nice and hot. Alright, guys, this is going in, right, in the oven, 325 until our beef is pull apart tender, right? Till our beef is pull apart tender. So in the oven this goes, 325. Of course, with the cover on. Alright, guys, it's been about 2.5 hours now. And this is what we got. This is what we got. Let's check for tenderness. Still got a lot of juice in here, right? It's very loose. This is what we look like. Alright, let's just get a piece of meat, piece of beef chuck. See how tender this is. Guys, this is tender. Yeah, this is just wants to come apart. Look at that. Alright, that's it, guys. We're gonna oopsie. Let's give this a taste. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Just falls apart. Guys, I like it. I like it a lot. A little more salt. Right, guys, I'm just gonna eyeball it. We got the masa cornmeal, right? Not gonna put too much. I'm gonna do a little bit at a time. See, that's about maybe a tablespoon, tablespoon and a half. Give this a spin. Guys, look at that. It thickened up real quick already. I'm going to let this sit. If we need to put more cornmeal in, we will. And guys, you know what I didn't do? I forgot to put the beans in. And guess what? I don't think we need it. I don't think we need it at all. So I'm going to put this on the side. I'm going to make some cornbread, right? And I'll bring you guys back. All right, let's get this in here, guys. Let's make sure we get some nice big chunks of meat, right? All right, guys, so now let's go down with a little bit of sour cream, right? Right in the middle. Get down there. Right in the middle. Now, I set it up. You know, I'm going to stick nice little jalapeno right here, right? 2 of them. Going to go down with a little bit of cilantro. I like cilantro on mine. I have this set up just so everybody can have their own, put what they want to put. Some green onion, right? I like the white ones. You know, put a couple of crackers in here. Why not? And some cheese. Guys, we got ourselves a beautiful bowl of chili. Now, I'm going to put some cheese on the side so I can put more as we go. Yep, here we go, guys. All right, guys, let's jump into this, baby. Look at this, guys. This is smelling good. It's looking good. So let's go in. I want to get a piece of, you know what? Let's just try it. Well, we did get a piece of chuck, right? It's a big mouthful. Guys, with the crunch of the onion, the beef chuck just falls apart in your mouth. Let's just try and get the ground beef. Taste that by itself. You know what? Let's get a cracker and some sour cream. Guys, I don't know if this is an award-winning chili, but this is a pretty damn good chili. Now, next time I make this, I'm going to put that beef chuck on a smoker. Guys, this is good. Guys, like. Where's a piece of meat at? Guys, like and subscribe, right? Let me get some more of this sour cream. There you go. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.